Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer content with YouTube easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer content on YouTube, start by logging into your YouTube account. Locate the video you want to transfer. Click on the three dots or more below the video. Select download if you want to save it to your device. Once downloaded, go to the YouTube homepage. Click on the create button, usually represented by a camera icon. Choose Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Drag and drop the video file into the upload window. Follow the prompts to fill in the video title, description, and other details. Select an appropriate thumbnail for your video. Adjust the video settings according to your preferences. Click on Next to add any end screens or cards if desired. Review your settings, then click Save or Publish to make the video live. If you wish to share your video with others, locate the share link after uploading. Utilize social media or email to distribute the link effectively. Ensure to monitor the performance of your newly uploaded content. Familiarize yourself with YouTube Analytics for insights on viewer engagement. Repeat the process for any additional content you wish to transfer. This method will help you manage your content smoothly on YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.